propels pioneers to the forefront of their times. Their ambition creates new values, new dawns. It alters form and function to redefine the landscape. Only the true design survives countless days and nights. With precise craftsmanship, accurate to the within the millimeter, each unique product, its own masterpiece, undergoing extreme tests and enduring countless trials and tribulations. With a craftsman's joy that touches the heart, we share our creations with those that love the outdoors. You can rely on us to handle the elements. Enjoy your time with a firm and secure foundation. Savor the open road. We've passed the examinations. Focus on the horizon. The plan is taken care of. Truly relax and leave the details to us.